Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Spray them thoroughly with cooking spray or olive oil before cooking them. Make sure they are in a single layer in the air fryer and are not touching each other. Crowding results in sogginess. Cook them at a high temperature so that the outside crisps at the same rate the inside melts. 12 June 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
350 degrees F mozzarella sticks cook at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 to 3 minutes, until just golden brown. Be careful not to overcook your cheese sticks because you want to brown the exterior without having the interior completely melt and leak into the oil. 4 March 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
350 degrees F heat 3 inches of oil in a deep pot to 350 degrees F. Place a few cheese sticks at a time into the oil. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until just golden brown. Drain the cheese sticks on a paper towel. 4 March 2020.
Take our lead.
Heat air fryer to 400 F. Place breaded mozzarella sticks in a single layer and spray with olive oil spray. You'll need to do them in batches. Don't stack them up, or crowd the basket. Air fry to 5 to 6 minutes or until golden brown. 15 January 2020.
Take our lead.
Air fry the mozzarella sticks. Set your air fryer to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Spray the air fryer basket and the mozzarella sticks with a non-stick cooking spray. Air fry the mozzarella sticks, in batches if desired or necessary, as space permits, for 6 to 8 minutes until the exterior is golden and crispy. 11 August 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.